Alright, we're gonna do better this time. So you it's gonna flappity flip. Careful you don't get sand in your eye. It's the worst kind of sand. This one was a team effort. I set the hook and reeled them in the rest of the way. There you go. You can toss them in however you want, Wrecker. Oh, put them in the other way. You can't swim off like that. There he goes. Nice. Another duo fish. I set the hook and Riker reeled him in.
We caught.
This one was a little. He's a fighter this time, huh?
Caught 3 drownfish today.
3
no
of them.
catfish.
Well, lift them right. I'm gonna spike you. Alright. You can toss them in.
No, I'm going home.
Oh, okay. I am. Gotta put them in head first, not tail first. There you go. It's too shallow. Oh, yep.